Opa. Wait, can I see? Wow. Glow tetras. Okay, okay. Yep, yep. Very nice. Wow.
This is koi.
Don't wanna risk it na. Kasi we lost the black ones, diba?
Yeah.
I'd rather be safe. At least there, if they jump that, they'll fall in the water. It's harder for them to fall in the cement part.
You saw that?
I heard it. I heard the jump.
Koi.
Koi?
Tumalon.
Wow. Grabe.
Meron to na iwan mga cichlids.
Yeah, cichlids survive. The cichlids survive.
White and yellow one.
Yes. The cichlids survive. They're really very hardy.
Pero few lang.
Yeah.
Laking color no. Pagkan color ron. Marijuana. Marijuana albino.
The next time we get glow tetra, wag na red. We have too much reds.
Oh, one orange din.
Orange and red. Ang tatapang nila. Ang tatapang nila. What's nice, they're matapang but they're not aggressive against these.
They don't overpopulate.
Yeah. Oh my God, nakakalabas sila. Wala rin, they can't protect them. Arawana naman. Wow, look at that. Albino Arawana. Where's the certificate?
In the car.
Ang ganda oh. Kitang kita. That's going to be the alpha. Diba?
Very big.
Yep. Malabas ka agad eh. I mean, sige, it's been fixed na eh. There's no holes, it's large.
At meron cichlid din dito sa loob. Paano yan?
Okay lang, they'll survive. Siguro nung nilagay kanina yung... Okay lang. Okay lang. Oh, ang ganda. That's so beautiful.
How much did you pay?
I don't run eh.
Kayo dalawa?
Yeah.
I did that on purpose.
Yeah.
So lumabas. It went out.
Huh? How?
Ewan ko din.
Oh God.
Smart.
Last bag. Last bag. Careful ah. Baka magasgas siya sa metal.
Kasya ba ito?
Yeah. Beautiful. Wow. Laki oh. Whew. That's gonna be the alpha fish. Sige, just drop it in. Yan. Yan. Sige. To the left yung open. Yeah, open to the left. To your left. Yan. Perfect. Perfecto. Yan. Yeah. My God.
Bigat. Ang bata.
That arowana is bigger than our silver when I was young.
Ay, silver na.
Yeah. Ganda oh. Beautiful. They're all underwater.
From 1 to 7:30. I'll be back na Thursday.
First day. Okay.
Wait, I need to set
That's
up
a long time.
I need to set it up now.
Oh, sige,
Where's
let's
the
go.
upper yan?
Super.
Iwan lang konti plants.
Then sige, just get it after you set up. Sige lang, Edno.
Iwan lang konti.
Palutangin lang.
Much better. If we go.
Yeah. But because if we feel that